loves, it's Claudia, and I'm back with a new do. Well, let's hope it's a new do. It's my new coily hair routine, and I will be making new coily hair routines quite routinely. Because how do you know what is a fave look if you don't do quite a few? And that's what I intend to do. Hang with me. Hang with me. Okay, let me just say, what I've done with this is I washed my hair yesterday. Well, not yesterday. I washed it last night. Early last night. Not quite at 12 midnight. But I washed it last night and I conditioned it. And then I deep conditioned it with this product. I use this. See if you can see that. Yep, there it is. I use this as my deep conditioner, like my yellow nails. Too bad I can't say that for my other hand. I just did not have time to paint my other hand last night. But who knows, by the time I finish filming this video, my hands might match this container. But you're not here for my nails. That product is awesome when you talk about deep conditioning your hair, coily hair, curly hair, kinky hair, or any hair. But in this video, around these parts of the tube, it's coily kinky baby, kinky coily, or curly coily, or kinky curly, or curly kinky. Now, what I did was I spritzed it with a little water and put it under my cap. Now, right now, after I've been exercising, I'm going to put on my hard hat dryer and deep condition it more for about 30 minutes. And after that, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to use this new routine with products that I'll share a little bit later. I got them from Wendy Hennessy. Hey, Wendy Joseph, love you, girl. Wendy, if you all don't know Wendy Joseph, who is now Wendy Hennessy because she married Dan, go to her channel and see Wendy's curls, because that girl is absolutely beautiful, intelligent, articulate, and a curly, curly girl. So these are the products that I used. I used two of these. I used the Moisture Boost Conditioner and the Butter-Creme. I will use the other product, the Curl Defining Pudding, in another video to let you see how that goes. Okay, so here is my hair after 30 minutes under the dryer. My twisties have come undone. After I finished with the intensive Aunt Jackie's treatment, I used in the shower Gold Series Moisture Boost Conditioner infused with that argan oil. Oh my goodness, it left my hair so soft and moisturized. And this product is for natural, transitioning, and relaxed hair. Sulfate-free, paraben-free, and dye-free. Pantene, I think, has come up with the winner in this series. And it smells absolutely luscious. Truly, it detangles the hair. I had no problems retwisting this hair after I got out of the shower. So wonderful. I'm going to create sections, diffuse my hair, and I will show you how I intend to create a new routine and with what products. So I will be back once again. never forget that hydration. We do need it for hair and skin. This hydrating buttercream is luscious. I tell you, it is indeed a miracle cream formula that softens hair and tames that frizz. Now, it is said to have 72-hour moisture. I think my hair stayed moisturized for at least that. I don't remember exactly testing it for 72-hour moisture, but it stayed moist for a long, long time. I love this. I wish it were as large as the conditioner. Okay, with the shower cap, I wanted to contain that moisture in my hair. And I knew that I was going to be leaving my hair in these braids or twists for 1 or 2 days to make sure it would dry the next day when I took that plastic cap off. This cap that I got from Amazon is wonderful. A satin cap. It keeps my curls in place and ready until I take them out.
Thanks for watching. I appreciate you so much. Let me know down below which look, style 1, 2, or 3 you liked the most. And let's do that channel keeping thing. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. Share this video, comment below. Let's chit chat and make this thing do what it do. All right, bye. See you in the next video. Besitos.